This program is a bus fare system where the program asks for your age, destination zone, and it sets base fare depending on the zone: 20 pesos for zone 1, 30 pesos for zone 2, and 40 pesos for zone 3. If the zone is not 1, 2, or 3, it prints invalid input. Then, it calculates the fare based on age. Kids under 5 years old, the ride is free, while ages 5 to 18 years old gets 50% discount. Then seniors 60 years old above, it gets 60 and 60 years old above, it gets 30% discount. And everyone else pays the full fare. And it prints the final fare.